What is up everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download apps on your Acer laptop. So first, simply open up the Microsoft Store from the Start menu. So once you do that, you'll then be able to search for the app that you want to download right from the search bar. Next, you can then click the app from the results and click Get or Install. So if prompted, you also have to sign in with your Microsoft account. So simply enter your credentials such as your email and password. So another way you can do this is also by downloading apps from our website. So to do this, simply open your browser and go to the app's official website. Then simply download the installer and run it. So once you do that, you then have to follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. So after this, the app will then appear in your start menu, ready to open and use on your Acer laptop. And that's it. So that's literally how to download apps on your Acer laptop. So I really hope you found this insightful. And if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.